How to remove your 12-volt battery on your Prius second generation. Third generation is also same. First, I have to remove this cover and I remove this red cover also and disconnect your battery. This is a positive pole and this is the negative, and disconnect also this plug. Hybrid battery air pipe stays on top of the 12-volt battery, so we have to remove this pipe also. There is one bolt here, 10mm bolt here, and 10mm bolt here. We have to remove this 10mm bolt, one 10mm bolt here, and another one, another 10mm bolt is here. So pipe is out. I remove this connector. There is a 10mm nut here. So, yeah, I disconnect the ground. For the last, I have to remove this iron supporter. There is 10mm bolt here and 10mm nut here. I remove 10mm bolt on the left side and also this one. I remove this supporter and this. So battery is out. Positive pole on this side and negative pole on this side. I put the iron supporter back. I put the connector back. I put this pipe back. There is a 10mm bolt here. Another 10mm bolt here. So I connect the negative pole. And positive pole and the connectors. Both of them 10mm nuts. And this plugs is for negative, is for positive. This one is for the ABS. So I plug them in. So we are ready. Thanks for watching.